Hello. Thanks for dropping in. David Bradley from the pet room here. Today, a quick operation. Should not take long at all. Here I have a rather dusty Commodore power supply. This one was off of a Vic-20. And before I plug it into anything, it needs to be checked out. It does. So I have my tester here. Oh dear. This was made by Rudy of Rudy's Retro Info. So the power supply is plugged in. I hear no humming, I hear no buzzing. There is no smoke, there are no flames. And so I take this handy dandy unit. It even has a Commodore logo on the back, and a input on the side, and a meter on the front. And I plug it in. And it reads a very acceptable 5.11 volts. So this would be deemed safe and worthy of using. Now, the other thing I'm going to do, I'll leave this plugged in for a moment. I am going to look around here. Hello. I know somewhere here. Oh dear. Maybe not. I thought I had a Sharpie. Anyway, I will, when I bring the rest of everything in, first of all, I will try and tidy this up a bit, but somewhere, see this is one that has the Commodore logo and all the sort of fins on it. So I'm suspecting that on one end or the other of this, with a black Sharpie, I will write 5.11. Let me look at it now. 5.11. Good to go. I know most people don't trust these power supplies, and some of them are indeed not trustworthy. And I would say that I will test things, even if I've tested them as, oh, wait a second, is that a Sharpie? Even if I have tested them, and I am pleased, I will continue to double check them. 5.11. Yeah, we'll write that on both ends in black. Don't know if you can see that. There we are. 5.11. Perfectly acceptable. Anyway, the reason that Rudy made this for me is, getting a meter in here without doing bad things is not easy. I often pondered, like, all sorts of leads and things and stuff and whatever, and then I thought, well, maybe I can steal a connector off a 64, and anyway. And I could, but this is magic. Magic. So, thank you, Rudy. Thanks for being here. Soon, I will test this Vic-20. Right now, it's still in the car. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.